Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you variable aliasing in Python. Variable aliasing is created when two or more variables pointing to the same object. Object can be either mutable or immutable, so the behavior will change accordingly. Let's look at them. For the immutable object, here I have a variable a pointing to an integer 5. I have another variable b. I assign a to b. I will check the IDs and values of these two variables. They are identical for now. But when I assign B to 10 to B, B now is pointing to a new object. So the ID has changed and the value has changed as well. For the case of mutable objects, I have a list here. I have another list and then pointing to the same list, basically. So in checking the ID for both lists, they are the same, the content are the same. And when I used one list to change the content of the first element, and I look at both lists, the IDs are the same and the content are the same as well. So in this case, for the mutable objects, whatever changes you use on one alias, it will affect all the other aliases. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.